Uhulumeni uneminyaka ewu-32 ngeke ke bafowethu ngonyanga nohafu bese silungisa yonke into. Ngekho umuntu ozomasha la eBay abulala itolo ngomhla ka-30 laba bese behlela ukuthi bazothatha amafriji abantu. Ninamanga akho umuntu ozomasha la ngomhla ka-30 ayikho maphoyisa ayikho imashi ngomhla ka-30 ngomhla ka-30 umnqamla juqu ukuthi kufanele uhulumeni kube kukhona sekwenzile uma engakaqedi ngowethu uhulumeni sizomlinda lapha eBay yimi enganquma umhla ka-30 lapha eBay ayikho imashi ngomhla ka-30 abantu uma befuna ukuphuma bephatha amaflag abo bekhombisa isupport bethandaza betshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi izwe kalilunge ngingajabula ke nihambele nje umuntu ayishuthela ivideo yakhe noma nayishuthela ivideo yakhe noma nayishuthela ivideo yakhe ngisho ungalibona ikwelekwele lambe anasa la uliyeke
khuma isiqoko khuma kumakarapa amatacontsele entshebeni yile yiphu ayisekho imatch ngomhla ka-30 kuthiwa ayikho indaba ukuthi abahambe ngomhla ka-30 kusho uPhakela Mthakathi useshilo-ke njengoba kuyena owamemezela usuku lomhla ka-30 uthi ayisekho lonto labo-ke bese betargethile ukuthi bayenzani bawutapa bayenzani bawushaya abantu benzani uthiwa nje not in my name uthi ayisekho bangayihambela befundisi bawumasha benzeni yena nje akazingeni so-ke uthi impela akakwazi ukuthi ayikwazi South Africa ingalungiswa within a year ekubeni uhulumeni sehlezi iminyaka emingaka uthi manje unikeza uhulumeni chance ukuthi alungise izinto. Okay, right. Sizokhuluma-ke la ngendaba ka-600 million okuthiwa ubekwe aside for security measures regarding indaba yomhla ka-30 kusho ugovernment. Leyo ndaba-ke isiscrutinize kakhulu-ke amaqembu ahlukene epolitiki nabantu nje. Kuthiwa kanti i-South Africa inemali engaka sisenkingeni engaka khona imali nje ekwazi ukusetshenziswa izovikela abantu bokuhamba abangekho semthethweni ezweni. Kuthiwa kanti ngempela this country umsebenzi wayo ukuvikela bani? Amaphoyisa umsebenzi wayo ukuvikela bakona ukuvikela thina. Kodwa makuzospendwa 600 million ukuthi kuvikelwe abantu bokuhamba instead ukuthi lo mali ispendwe ikuthuthukiseni izwe lethu. Hayi icabadala impela. Sidluleke leyo ke this time sibona imarch lana eyenzeke izolo ngolesihlanu mhla 26 kuJune eJohannesburg. Imarch enziwe amaTsonga Tsonga Shangaan ngathi namavende bekhona ke sola ngathi ebekhona namavende. Kuthiwa they are marching against ukuthi basideline bathi bamashela elokhuzeni human rights ukuthi ke nabo bafuna ukuba recognized. So sizosho ukuthi isikhulumi sokuqala ke sithi kodwa ke before ngikhuluma kahle lento ngithanda nje ukuveza ngithi ke cha kubukeke ngathi ke lokhu kuyinsakavukela umchilo wesidwaba. Ake sizwe ke ukuthi bathini.
As a group, why are you marching today?
Because today we are saying enough is enough. We are sick and tired as Batsonga Bachangani to be judged based on our skin tone. Just because we are darker than a Zulu, just because we are darker than a Xhosa, doesn't make us a foreign. We are South Africans, we are proud of being Tonga. We've been turning the other cheek for the longest time here in South Africa. Like Zimbabweans, like Mozambicans, but we are not Magandi. They will not slap us this side and we give them the other cheek. This is a peaceful march because we are not hooligans. So this is a way of retaliation. We are showing them a peaceful march. They've been talking, saying Utibona they are doing peaceful marches. So today they must take notes.
Who exactly is targeting you and why do you think that is so?
There's a specific people, I won't say a specific tribe here in South Africa. So we are being judged based on our skin tone. So we are sick and tired today. Like I am saying, we are saying enough is enough. Yeah.
And as a group, you have also been saying you want the borders open. Can you explain us what do you mean about that?
Because Mozambicans are Africans, Zimbabweans are Africans, and those are our brothers and sisters. I am saying, if the borders don't open, I am saying this personally, that they must find creative ways of coming to South Africa to come and visit us, the brothers and the sisters. And I will not apologize for that, Chief.
And you're going to the Human Rights Commission now. What's your message to them and the government?
We are saying to President Ramaphosa, we are here. It's just a clear message that, President, we are here. We are proudly South Africans, we are proudly Africans, and we are here to showcase that we also have numbers. But like I said, we are not hooligans, Chief. We don't fight fire with fire. We teach them how to march today here.
Thank you very much. You can hear for yourself. I now want to show you the groups that are here. Just to see behind me. They've just stopped now, but it's a very fast-moving group. I want to show you this group that's here. Quite a lot of people that have gathered here. They are marching to the Human Rights Commission. I'll just help you to listen as they speak to each other. They're just about to start marching now. As you can hear, they've been giving each other slogans and directions, and of course, just listening again. So they are saying, arise, Mchangani, arise, because they feel they've been suppressed and, of course, not given their place as South Africans. So they think this is time for them to air their views. Let me speak to the brother here. Hi, brother. You are live on DW. Just tell us, why this march today?
This march is because of our people. They don't feel like they belong in South Africa because of several tribalism issues that we are facing. So today, as Batonga Machangan community, we have gathered to tell the whole world that South Africa is our home. South Africa is our land. South Africa is where we were born. We were born and raised here. This is our home. So we don't want anyone to treat us like they are doing us a favor when we are in our country. Nobody is doing us a favor. This is our country. This is where we belong. And no one is going to tell us to produce IDs when we are working. This is our country. This is not the time of apartheid where we will go around with our IDs. Thank you.
And what do you say, General, about the anti-migrant marches that are happening?
We don't have a problem with their cry. We don't have a problem. They have a genuine cry. Our problem comes when our tribe gets to suffer the consequences of what they are trying to achieve in their pursuit to chase away illegal immigrants. Our people are being mistaken for foreigners. So we are tired of that. We are saying enough is enough with this exclusion. We are saying to the whole of South Africa and every other tribe, no tribe is bigger than another tribe. South Africa is our home and we are all equal.
And you just told me that there was a young man who was killed because of this.
Yes. Samuel Sambo died in Mossel Bay during the march on the 29th of May and the 30th, that was in Mossel Bay. And several other people, they lost their homes, they lost their livelihood. Samuel's mother is here with us. And she, as we speak, she can't go back to Mossel Bay and be subjected to the same treatment of tribalism. She's afraid her kids have to be moved to come and study in Limpopo, where they belong.
They are marching to be recognized as South Africans. Asazi-ke ukuthi aba-recognizwa, kanti who is supposed to recognize them as South Africans? Are not they supposed to recognize themselves? Angithi ba-recognize-iwe because i-language iyabe ikhona out of ama-languages esinawo asemthethweni ezweni. Yiphi enye recognition ifuneka? Ubani okufanele bathathe serious? Ngicabanga ukuthi mina umuntu nomuntu kufanele ayithathe serious ukuze nomunye umuntu akwazi ukuyithatha serious. At this moment in time, I'm seeing i-march against amaZulu because of amaZulu akhipha lamagama abo ukuthi-ke shangana suke endleleni kuculwa nanantu ayishangana wahamba amashangana, yonke loo nto leyo eyasusa i-debate engicabanga ukuthi-ke yathanda ukukhulunywa loo nto, yathi ukulungiswa. But le angiyibonile isidingo. Singazi-ke ezweni lethu sinenkinga eyiningi-ke khona nosomathuba abasebenzisa ama-cracks akhona ukuze bangene kulawo ma-cracks besebenza abakuthandayo. Bese bakhona abantu abasetshenziswayo futhi. So siyakuphuzu lesibili futhi. Bathi they are teaching Zulus how to march. Okay. They didn't say Zulus specifically. Singasho sithi basho kanjalo empeleni bathi they are teaching Zulu, but they say they are teaching that certain tribe ukuthi how to march. Hey, I understand mina. Kanti ubani uyazi ukumarcha? Engicabanga ukuthi yena ufanga bafundisa abantu ukuthi kumashwa kanjani. Bathi bazofundisa amaZulu ukuthi how to do an innocent march. Kuthiwa yini? Yona leyo nto leyo. Imarch engenabungozi engenalutho. Angazi mase uyithathile lento. But ke kuthiwa ke bathi Zulu marches shuthi singasho sithi iZulu marches versus eTsonga marches manje. It's a competition. Kuyakuqhudelwana ukuthi manje ubani omasha kangcono, ubani peaceful between amaZulu namaTsonga. Kwaphela singasho sithi amaZulu le ngendlela kubuka ngayo kwaphela babona ngathi ba sideline wabona. So I don't know noma kufanele kuhanje kuyoncengwa amashangana, kuthiwa amashangana siyancenga nani nibe yiphathi yalento. Akuncengwa amatsotsi la, akuncengwa bhari. Umuntu nomuntu mayibona ushubile ezweni, asukume irrespective of ukuthi uyiphi tribe. Then if you see ukuthi now le march ekhona ayisiphathi kahle ngathi na ithanda ku abasifaka, why isithathu uyifaka khona? Thatha tribe yakho abaje bazohlangana nje benze march, why bengathathi bahlangana kanje bayongena kuleyo march le bathi guys we are part of South Africa. That is why sikule march. Because we understand kwami lama march kade enziwa it's against government. Kuyashiwo kona ukuthi are marches against illegal foreigners, but we were marching against government ngokuthi ehluleka ukuvala ama borders. But ke so ithola ngempela inhloso yale march okuhamba kwesikhathi. Nisazozwa ukuthi inhloso yale march ngempela ukuyona yipi leke yamaTsonga namashangana. Akuyona ke lento kuba sideline. No. Sazoyithola kahle ukuthi yini ngqikithi ngempela yale march. Okay. But they have been targeted based on skin tone. But ke ngenxa ukuthi bona they are a little bit darker than other tribes in South Africa, so that is why they are targeted, which means other tribes regard them as foreigners. Angathi other tribes avele ngithi Zulus singaze sifake amaXhosa nabaTswana nabeSuthu kulento ngoba phela lento kakhulukazi idume ngokuthi amaZulu athi. So vele sisiqonde singalushona le nale nje wabona bebuka engathi babashona le nali ingabe baqonda nje igquma bona baligudla igquma. Okay, nasoqonda na. Okay, bathi they've been targeted because of their skin tone. Shooting ngoba bathi babukeka bona mabesho bathi they are darker than amaZulu and Xhosas basho njalo. But I don't think that is the case because KwaZulu Natal, hey, sinamaZulu are dark like hell, are darker than foreigners. Umuntu omzwa ngoba esekhuluma ukuthi hayi cha umZulu, hey lo muntu lo uyabo. But angicabanga ukuthi that is the real issue. The real issue mhlambe singasho sithi ke is language barriers. Uyabo lonto nokufundiseka ke kwabantu. Into yokuthi siyabantu asifani. Bakhona abadinga ukufundiswa ngeSouth Africa nani. Then ukuthi ke uyabo into enjalo ngabe sizama nokuhlangana sibe intoda sifundisane, then siqhubeke siye phambili because there are many things ezirectify la kuma matches because nabeSuthu bazwakalisa ukuthi nabo no they are not ngathi impela babone ngathi batargetiwe. Bahamba ke ungizwe waze waye eGoli wahlangana nabeSuthu waxoxa kwathi no baSuthu asintargetanga uyabo. So into engayenza asibe into eyodwa sihlangane silungise lento. So angazi ukuthi why ke amaTsonga namashangana efuna uku-isolate. Okay, kuthiwa they want borders to be open. If not, other Africans must find creative ways to enter South Africa. Nakho ke nakya na indaba i-March and March hlanganise nophakela umthakathi nongizwe uJacinta nalensizwa mabehlangene bathi aqiniswa amabhoda abangena ngemthetho abaphume. So le march leke yayizolo ke inhloso yayo, inhloso nqangi yayo ukuthi kuvulwa amabhoda yokuthi abantu abangene instead ukuthi sithi let's secure the borders. Sesitholileke ingqikithi ke yabo ukuthi why are they marching? This is according to the first speaker part. Then the second speaker naye iqhamuke nokunye okuhlukile kancane kune first speaker. So singasho ke sithi ke mina ngokwami ngibone ngathi whoever started leyanto okuhlanganisa amatsonga namashangana izolo kwenziwa imarch, this is the agenda yokuthi they want borders to be open. If not, yes, if amabhoda engavulwa, other Africans must find creative ways to enter South Africa. Isounda kanjalo na isound njenge EFF. Hey, EFF in disguise. Hey, bantu nizofa ukusetshenziswa. Nizofa ukusetshenziswa. Niyalandela egcine nazi ukuthi yini inhloso yento. Nibiziwe kodwa uzani mashangane lamazulu asijwayela kahle. Bozani sifuna batshengisa thina sobani. Egcineni yashintsha inarrative. Ithi awavulwa amabhoda, mama uthi amabhoda wavulwa, tholani indlela zokungena eSouth Africa, nizo infiltrate South Africa, nizo flood eSouth Africa. Ayike angazi yasiqhubekeni. Bathi bona they are marching to the Human Rights Commission to tell the president that they are here. Ezindaba baya ku Human Rights Commission bawutshela umengameli ukuthi we are here. Akazi mina libala. Okay. And have numbers and futhi silas baningi. Ezindaba basho njalo. And we belong in South Africa. Yes, we know. Ubani ungazi ukuthi amashangana belong in South Africa, amatsonga belong in South Africa. Ngabe phela sinayo language le yabo kuma language yethu asemthethweni. Ngaba is not an official language isitsonga if bengaziwa. Understand? Okay. That is according to the first speaker. Then the second speaker uthi no one will tell them to produce IDs. This is the second speaker. Uthi akekho umuntu okufanele ahambe ephethe i-ID because indaba i-ID yaphela isathi ubandlululo. Yaphela kudala, okay? Yes, ngasho that is the valid point. Okay. Usathi your second speaker ke linye iphuzu lakhe. They don't have problem with indlela okumashwa ngayo. They don't have problem with the march. But no, we don't have a problem with the march. Ngoba ba understand into vele ekhalelwayo. Uthi futhi uzoyasho futhi the march is genuine. Lezo indaba. Sekusikhothole umehluko ke phakathi kuka first speaker no second speaker. Second speaker uthi abanankinga nemashi imesho ukuthi ba understand ukuthi it's genuine. Shuthi march and march no phakela umthakathi no ngizwe umchulo. But they don't have a problem. Yabona ukuthi khona ukushaya amanzi, I'm telling you. Okay. But again, the problem is when their tribe suffers the consequences of what they are trying to achieve. That is the problem, according to the second speaker. Uthi bona abathandi ukuthi i-tribe yabo isafarishe ngenxa yabantu mabemashela izinto ezikhona. You understand ukuthi bamashela into ezikhona, but i-problem ukuthi egcineni amatsonga agcine sethinteka. Yebo indaba. Okay, ngithe qaleni mina if amatsonga efila isolated noma efila like we regard them as foreigners, they must come and join the party. Akekho umuntu ongabaxosha mama kumashwa. Bukufanele bona beze bethi guys siyabala South Africa, and then lento njengoba lo mbhemi esho ukuthi lento enilelayo siyayizwa and futhi it's genuine njengoba esho umbhemi siyajoyina. Yekani le ndaba ukuthi ke niloku nithi shangana asidileni nama illegal immigrants. Yabo, according to the second speaker ngiyamsupporta, but ngicabanga ukuthi nabo they must be part yento if I understand ukuthi ukhalwa ngani. Wasekhuluma ke iphuzu lokugcina ke alishilo ke iphuzu lika Nhlamulo Sambu's death. uNhlamulo Sambu ngicabanga ukuthi sokhumbula ukuthi kuningi okwavela ukuthi uma wakhe it's member EFF kanjani kwabe kwavela ukuthi uNhlamulo akazange aze asocongwe ngenxa ye-tribalism njengoba beyiportray bona. Nhlamulo wabulawa ngenxa yobugebengu because of his criminal activities. Washonela emzini womuntu beyogqekeza. That is what we are getting according to amaphoyisa. Ngicabanga ukuthi sikhulunywa kaningi ngabe. I don't think in this day ngakalesi sikhathi khona umuntu ongakabi nolwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then bathi ke sihamba noma kaNhlamulo ukhona la. Bacwasiwe uNhlamulo ukuthi abuyele back eLimpopo ngoba manje na indaba. Lento into eyenzeka le eWestern Cape. EWestern Cape is dominated by amaXhosa. And then bona their fight is against amaZulu kakhulukazi. Ngoba lindaba amaMashi isuke eKZN. Then bona bathi Nhlamulo wabulawa kwimashi eyenzeka. Kodwa sithola ukuthi Nhlamulo wabulawa emzini umuntu beyogqekeza. So ke ngizocela bandla siparticipate kwi comment ke sithi kulicubungula lo daba lolu ukuthi nani understand kanjani nizwa kanjani lento mina cha hayi khona ukushaya amanzi la khona ukunuka santungwana la kukhona ukusetshenziswa okukhona la kulabo abantu abamashayo amakhanda ale marsh they know exactly ukuthi bafunani and futhi lento abayifunayo siyayazi into efunwa elinye iqembu njengoba ngisho ngithi nokatholakala noNhlamulo uma wakhe was a member EFF and then EFF kwaba yona futhi likhuluma kakhulu udaba kaNhlamulo yafaka indaba ze-tribalism nani bangayithola bangacibe ilandele ukuthi ngempela kwenzakalani ngoNhlamulo uyabo kusho ukuthi baphikisana nomthetho ukuthi kutholakaleni baphikisana nabantu basendaweni ukuthi wadzisha ngoNhlamulo how can uNhlamulo be targeted while bekhuluma isiXhosa isifluent ngale ndlela so abone lama video kaNhlamulo ethetha hawu thetha gqitha ubethetha gqitha uNhlamulo ube ngenayo nencinci nje ingxaki yokuthetha isiXhosa so asiboni ke ukuthi yini le please guys asiye umlos confuse South Africa ngoba abafuthi bayivuma ukuthi imarch and march is genuine and then understand ukuthi ifunani but the other speaker is khuluming another thing ukuthi akuvulwa amabhoda abantu babathola creative ways to enter South Africa. It's totally rubbish ngicabanga ukuthi lo muntu ufuna kabuke azolalahle into ayishilo and futhi ngicabanga ukuthi nabo njengoba belaphana abafuni into ezizodwa khona abalandelayo lapha abangazi ukuthi laba abantu abahede this march what is their main goal kule march. So guys abanye bayalungisa abanye bayabhidlisa if nifuna ukulungisa why ningajoin hands and then do one thing isuma nokuthi ibongela shibirishi siyashibilika danko.